Alright, today we're going to go see how to look at a student that may have been dropped or that report card is in an archived year. So the only difference is if they're in an archive year, we need to go up to our profile, go to Archives, and set our archive date. So I'm going to go to 2018 and set View. It's the only difference. We're going to go to a student view, and if that student is in an archive year, we can then search for the student and go look at the report card. But if we are looking for a drop student, we'll want to come over to this drop down next to the gear and show dropped. We'll see that the drop students have a line through them, but we can also filter with the enrollment option for drop students. And I'm going to go down here to Louisa. And on the student's panorama, you'll see the View Report Cards button. We click on that button, we click Preview, and here we'll see the report card for that student. We can print from the browser and print a PDF, and we'll be all set. Hope this helps.